Yo, what's up, y'all? All right, got my hands on a free 10-gallon air compressor. I'm not, I'm not 100% sure what's wrong with it, but I have an idea. Sorry about that, I had to grab my specs. Um, Getting a little closer because I want to look at this capacitor. But this is what I think is the problem on it. We're looking at here. Hmm. Okay. I don't know if I have that or not. But let me I'm gonna plug it up and show you what it's doing. Hopefully you can hear it because you're gonna have to listen to the sound. Made sure it was off. Plugging it up here. Okay, you ready? You hear that humming? That's what make me think the capacitor is bad. Okay. I'm seeing it got 60 hertz on it. Right here. 60 hertz. So I'm gonna have to check and see if I have it. I think I got a couple of those, but I'm gonna have to search for them. So I'm gonna pause y'all and we'll see if we can find one. Okay, y'all. So this is what I found that I had. Hoping that y'all be able to see that. What is it? 250 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Now, as you can see, I got my multimeter here, and what I have it on right here is microfarads. Okay, so that's how you check it, microfarads. But we're gonna check continuity right here. That's what we're gonna do. Open load. See. Now, very, very important. Listen up to this one. Very, very important. Before you take something out, one of these capacitors, or put one in, take your screwdriver, touch them. For the simple fact, these hold a charge. And if you stand on concrete and you touch this without dismissing the charge, it can hurt you really seriously or kill you. So please, check it. I think I already checked this, but let's do it again. Okay? So we got that one checked again too. Okay, so now what we need to do, like I said, I found this, but I don't know if it's good, so let's see what we get. Let's see if we get anything at all, because I don't know if it's good or not. Wish I had the clips, then make this easier. Not seeing nothing. Let me put it back on the microfarad and see what I get there. See if I get something on the microfarads. Okay, show an open load. I was hoping that it would show me some values. So It's not showing me any value. So right now I'm thinking that this may be bad because I'm not getting anything. Yeah, I'm not getting anything. Yep, I'm not getting anything. So could y'all hear that? I was touching the one on top. Okay. Let's switch it over to microfarads. Nothing consistency. Yep, no consistency on that, so gotta see if I have something else. I don't think that's gonna work. Okay, y'all, so I did a little checking on that capacitor. And as you can see, I got it in. I had to, the end broke off on me right here. Trying to get this one out. Helicopter. Yeah, I live close to the airport. Got the screw in here. I had to put new ends on it because, like I said, they broke off on me right here trying to get them off. That's from overtime, so I got those on. And that one, like I said, is a 250 volts, 50, 60 hertz. As you can see on this one, 250 volts, 50, 60 hertz. So, oh, I got it plugged up. So we should just have to pull the button. Well, pull the button. Press the button, pull the button. I'm here in the air. Sorry about that, y'all. It took me a second to find the spray bottle. Okay. Trying to see where that air coming from. Okay. Saw them bubbles foam. And I think here too. But we know here that's got to be replaced. So I'm probably going to replace both of those and that one. Also, you can see how cloudy these is. I was thinking I'm gonna shoot the Harbor Freight. I know Harbor Freight got these here, but I'm gonna see if they have the little gauges also, and that way I'll be able to see. Also, I got some rubber feet for that there, but that's good. Thought I was gonna have to order one. All right, y'all. Pilsner 10 gallon, 2 horsepower, 5 horsepower peak air compressor. It's a good little size too, something you can carry around to work with, which is why I was fixing it. Need to go mess with a deck, and instead of having to bring something big, I could take that right there with me, which would be perfect size for the nail gun. All right, we're gonna call that a win. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe.